In front of me is DOOGEE T10, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto correction on this DOOGEE. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down to access system. Then select languages and input, on-screen keyboard and Gboard. Following that, just click on text correction and scroll down to access auto correction. If you wish to switch it on or off, just tap on the switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!